Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Nafi. We know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. These 26 letters represent the 44 sounds. So it's difficult to pronounce an English word by looking at its spelling. For example, speak, great, heart have the same vowel letter E-A in them, but pronounced differently in each word. Long A, car. It's in British English, it's car. In American English, it's car. So long A, car. Short A, up, up. Short A, cat, cat. Short A. Long O, coat. British pronounce it like coat, but Americans pronounce it like coat. The only difference is like British don't pronounce the A and Americans pronounce the A. So it's coat. It's long O. Short O. Lock. Lock. Short O. Short A. Taller. Like he's taller than me. It's not taller. And like more examples like black and white, boys and girls. So there the N, A and D, it's weak. It's not so strong. Boys and girls. We don't say boys and in chips also you can see it's cream and onion. It's not cream and onion. And like for example in chulbula chips it's written. So a diphthong is a combination of two vowels. These sounds are also called gliding vowels. There are 8 diphthongs or vowel glides in English. So examples like I, for example, by, guy, and A, like cake, bake, gate. A, oi, soil, boy, oil, ow, like cow, how, and here O, like go, no, yeah, and here, like air, pear, pear. So in American English it's pear, in British English it's pear. And ue. In British English it's tue, and in American English it's tool. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe it now. Please like, share and comment. Bye everyone.